Bruh. Look at this dude.
I look good. You feel me? Shoo. What's good in the chat? Your homie back again with another video. My style, I touch up on when I'm in my... What's up with my Blade fam? Yes, I know it's been a while and I'm back with another video. Further ado, let's just get into the product itself. Boom! There it is. For all my car gurus out there, y'all know what it is. Okay, so I bought this on a whim, okay? I went to Ross. Yep, I went to Ross and I found a product that cleans wheels with foaming, right? So basically what it is you just take this, shake it up, spray your whole wheels, rims, and tires. I guess it helps take off all the hard dirts and stuff like that. And then afterwards, you just like scrub it down, spray it, all that good stuff. Your wheels should be like brand new again. You know what I'm saying? I'm bad at explaining stuff, man. I'm sorry. You can find this product online for like $12 to $13. I went to Ross and I got lucky and I found this for $3.99. You guys see that right there? I bought two of them bad boys, okay? There was only two left and I bought both of them. It states that this removes brake dust, which is right there, if you guys can see it. Boom. It also says cleans with no scrubbing, safe for all wheels, and bonds to dirt and grime. Come on, man. Yeah, sorry for the lighting, guys. So anyways, let's take this product and go try it out, okay? SIMONIZ. I don't know how to pronounce that, the brand, okay? Sure Shine. They have a lot of products out there. This is my first time trying this product. And yeah, let's get into cleaning my wheels, right? Because it's really dirty due to the rain and all that. Let's get it. Ouch. Sorry y'all, I've been talking way too much. 4 minutes into the video already. I just missed you guys, okay? So let's just get into the video. Let's go. It's a beautiful day out. Okay y'all, these are my rims. Very nice and very dirty. Really dark. Let's test this out, baby. Give it a shake. Let's go. Nice. Really foamy. Very, very foamy. Look at that. And we're just gonna let that sit. Time lapse. Looks like it's working a little bit. Let me just hit it one more time. So maybe people's gonna roast me. Okay guys, let me do a quick update. The foam, it's pretty good, man. But I couldn't do a full clean because something is wrong with my water hose. And I was trying to use my pressure washer, but I guess the hose didn't get enough pressure. It didn't have enough water pressure into it, so there's people walking by. That kind of cut me off a little bit, and it's really hot, it's really sunny. I already cut myself. I spent like the whole time trying to fix the hose, trying to get my pressure washer to work, but it didn't. So I didn't get a chance to use this brush. I just said, F it, I'm gonna just use the foam and then just spray it off with the new water hose that I have, and it sucks. Here, hold up. I suck at explaining. So this is what I'm working with right now. This type of water hose. It's not giving enough pressure. It's just this little clear tube right here. And the water pressure was not there. Look at that. Man, I pee harder than that. Pressure washer was just right there. I did a video on that. This is what the result is with the foam. Ooh, not bad, right? And all I did was just spray it, or all the dirt came off. As you can see in the video, hopefully you guys can see in the video. And then I just used that whack ass water hose, sprayed it off, and I just dried it. And that's about it. Not bad, man. 12, 13. Comments down below, let me know if you guys used that product before, and let me know if it helped you guys out or not. Ooh, and we are back. Man, guys, so I had a hard time, as you guys can see in the video. I actually cut myself right here. I had to buy a new water hose because the one that came with the house that we're living in right now, it broke. So I had to change it out. And luckily I had a spare, but at the same time it wasn't lucky because that spare sucks. It's just the pressure. The pressure of the water wasn't strong enough, so it wasn't feeding to my pressure washer, or pressure washer. That's a fun word to say. Pressure washer. But all in all, I say this was a good product. It actually made my wheels more cleaner, I would say, and I didn't even have to scrub or nothing. I was gonna scrub it, but since the whole water hose thing issue, so you know, I just sprayed it with water and that's about it, and it looked pretty nice, man. So if you guys come across one of these items, give it a try, especially if it's only $3.99. I know a lot of people's gonna say, oh, the cheaper the product is, you know, it's gonna damage your car and stuff like that. Hey man, that's why I'm here. You know, I'm trying to do all these stuff so then can keep you guys updated, and then you guys won't do the same mistake I did, right? Or the same mistake I do, something like that. I don't know, guys. My final conclusion on this thing, I think it's pretty cool. If I find this product on Amazon, I will be sure to leave the link down below. Hopefully it'll be cheaper, but I highly doubt that since on Walmart and eBay it's already like 12 to 13 bucks. If you guys have this product already, leave a comment down below. Tell me how you guys like it. You know, recommend me some brands that I don't know about, because I'm here to try things out. We're here to help each other. That's how it is in this world, man. We gotta change it up. Stop being jealous and hate on one another. So, damn, I gotta go shower, dude. Anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video was helpful or entertaining in any way. And if it was, please smash that like button.
Smash!
Subscribe to your homie for more content like this or anything else I do on this channel. I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for sticking around, liking and subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. You know, it keeps me motivated. I've been unmotivated for a while now, so it's pretty... Damn, I wiped my blood on my chin. My battle scars. But yeah, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see y'all in the future. Deuces. Oh yeah, guys, make sure to stay hydrated, stay warm, and clean your car, brush your teeth, and clean your room, okay? Alright, okay guys. Yeah. Huh. Spit shine! My style, untouchable.